Hello everyone. So you want a base for a soup and you just don't know what to do. You got all these scraps and everything. So I got onion scraps and celery. I even got some ginger and carrots in there. And so what I'm going to do, this is on like a medium boil. So I'll let this sit and steep, or steep, but sit for about an hour or so. And just let all that come together and everything. You got your own homemade broth. So when an hour is done, I will bring you back. See all this good stuff, the onions in there, and the celery and everything, and it'll be really good. That way you have your own broth, you know what's in it. You can put as much, don't put a whole lot of salt, but you season. You don't have to season this, because if you use it to make a base for a soup, then you're going to season that. So you can have it unseasoned, or you can season and just have this as a broth and everything. But it's so good. It smells so good. See y'all when it's finished. Alrighty, so that's just a little steamy. But I wanted to show y'all this nice deep caramel color. Go away, steam. Woo. Alright. Nice and steamy. Alright, there we go. So it's so rich and looks so good. Well, I try to, there we go. So, and you can see it's gone down some, but you can add more water to it, which I'm going to do, and then I'm just going to turn it off and just let this just chill together and everything, and then I'll strain it. Okay, so the stock is finished. It's a nice, really rich color. And I am just going to strain it right into this mason jar. Right here. Alright. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, so that's one. That's one. And yes, I did spill some. But that's alright. Because when you go to use it again, you just add water. How much you want to use that? Yeah, so I'm making sure she ain't cutting nothing she ain't supposed to be cutting. Grass people. Alright, let's see what we get in here. Alright, we got 2 quarts. And there we go. That is our vegetable stock. So I did not season this, because then when you go to use it for your soups and stews or whatever, oh, that's fingernail polish, and you'll season it then. So I got 2 quarts, and I'll be making some soups and stuff soon. Have a wonderful day. So throughout the day, I've been showing y'all about my veggie stock and everything. So I made some soup. And as I added stuff to it, there wasn't that much water in it. And of course, it adds volume. But I am going to take some of my veggie stock that I made. Get the top off. Should have the top off before I start the video. Sit y'all down for a minute. Alright, there we go. So, I'm not going to pour a lot, but I want enough so I can have flavor. Well, that was about half a cup in there. So, to have the flavor in there, maybe a cup, and then let it all come together. So once this brings back up to a boil, and this comes together, I just put these veggies in there, so I need to let that cook. So I have one chicken here. I've got another chicken for tomorrow's dinner. and we'll take a taste test. Spices I've added to the soup. Okay, dinner is ready. Get some of this nice liquid here. And then taste test. Oh, it's so good. Definitely a winner. Have a nice day.